Hi, I'm Robert Paylor, keynote speaker and author, and today I'm excited to share with you a bit about my story and my safety focused keynote, The Human Side of Safety. My journey into speaking about safety started in 2017 when I was competing in the Collegiate Rugby National Championship for UC Berkeley. In the opening minutes of the game, I was paralyzed from the neck down because of an illegal move made by an opponent, a very clear safety rule that was ignored. In an instant, I became a quadriplegic, unable to move anything below my neck, and my life completely changed. My doctor confirmed my worst fears and told me I would never walk or move my hands again if I even survived. But through years of intense rehabilitation and with the help of my teammates, family, doctors, and friends, I have defied the odds. Today, I can stand on my own into my walker. I can walk 500 yards, and I now share my journey with audiences worldwide, instilling in others the lessons that carried me through quadriplegia. I share my story because it's a powerful reminder of why safety matters, because my injury wasn't an accident, it was preventable. It happened because someone chose to ignore a rule, and that's the truth about safety in every industry. Every decision, every shortcut, every moment of pressure isn't just about compliance, it's about people's lives. In my keynote, The Human Side of Safety, I go beyond checklists and compliance. I share the lessons I've learned through my journey of battling paralysis, diving into the mental tools that help me to build a resilient mindset through the pressure of each day shortly after my injury. Where in the hospital, I endured treatments and made decisions where my life was on the line. I believe that same resilient mindset is what allows workers to stay focused and make intentional choices when the pressure is high. I talk about perspective and how, for me, reframing setbacks as opportunities rather than just frustrations was the only way I could keep moving forward. In the workplace, that same perspective helps teams reframe their challenges so they don't give in to stress or take risky shortcuts. I talk about the power of team, how just like I leaned on my teammates, family, and caregivers for clarity and strength in my journey, organizations thrive when safety is a team based approach because safety isn't something we do individually, it's something that we prioritize together. And finally, I share how my experiences taught me the importance of a selfless culture because I know firsthand that I could not have made it this far if I was only doing this for myself. My purpose is rooted in using my challenges to inspire others. And in the same way, the selfless culture at work ensures that safety isn't just a rule that's enforced, but a shared commitment that's embraced by every member of the team for the good of each other, for their families, and for their communities. So my story is living proof of what happens when safety breaks down, but even more than that, it's a story of resilience, teamwork, and purpose. And these are the values that I would be honored to share with your audience.